Hello, everybody. As far as work and achievement and success goes, the angels say you are reliable, clever, educated, and balanced, and an excellent opportunity will be offered to you. They say you are being protected from negative forces beyond your control, and it is time for you to heal. They say you must take care, otherwise there will be loss in material wealth. You deserve peace and harmony, and it's time for you to take time out. You are getting the key to success, and that's because you've claimed your independence. There is somebody that's still trying to push a wedge into something that you want to do, but there are also solutions, the angels say, and you will find success that comes from objective compromise, self control, and patience, and forgiving and healing energy. There has been unsettling times and we needed to plan ahead. We've been on a long journey, either physically or mentally, and it's time to collaborate now. There has been discord amongst a person or friends and family, and it's made us feel a bit tied down and frustrated. But they want you to know if you heal the past, you bring healing into the present. You must claim you must reclaim your power, your respect, self confidence, self determination. The number card is 444, and it says this is your time to take confidence in all that you pursue. The divine universe is working through you and protecting you. Time has come to allow all the doors of opportunity to welcome you with open arms. You've had a change of perspective and you're connecting to the energy of love, peace, and harmony, and you are going to receive a gift. There is going to be a chain of events that will affect your life. There's money coming in a form of inheritance, winning, or windfall, and your loved ones want you to know that the magic works through you, and they want you to stay positive. Your thoughts can shape your experience, so be sure to focus on the positive. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.